Chapter 2. Meemore Said So, Strength in Unity. Written by Lisa Kidwell, aka Meemore Said So. Welcome back, dear parents. Today I want to talk about the strength that comes from unity within a family. Psalm 133. One says, "Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity." It is a reminder that harmony within the family is a blessing and a source of strength. When we stand together, we can face any challenge that comes our way. Ecclesiastes April 9th 10 tells us, "Two are better than one, because they have a good reward for their toil. For if they fall, one will lift up his fellow." This verse highlights the importance of supporting each other. Teach your children the value of being there for one another, just as Christ is always there for us. Encourage open communication and understanding in your home. James 1:19 advises, "Let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger." By fostering a loving and patient environment, you create a safe space for your kids to express themselves and grow in their faith. Remember, parents, Proverbs 17:17 says, "A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity." Strengthen the bonds within your family, and you'll find that together you can overcome any obstacle. So, take a moment today to nurture unity in your home. Because, as Meemore said, a family united in faith is unbreakable. Keep shining, parents. Please like, subscribe and share, because sharing is caring. Thank you and God bless.